Hello UK lock spot forum and fellow pickers. Yes, I'm picking this YALE lock. This was given to me by a friend. He didn't give me a working key with it, but I was surprised with this lock. Very, very surprised. I thought they have no security pins in it at all, but as you can see, it's locked up. There. It's got a hardened shackle. You can tell it's been on a gate or something for a long time. I'll be using my new Southward Max 6B pick. I'll be doing a review on this soon when I get the rest of the picks. But I must say it's a very good tool to have in your arsenal. On the pictures, actually, they look a lot more chunkier than what they really are. Right. So there we go, within there, top of the keyway tension. Starting from the back, as you can hear the clicks. I've got a big vault set. There you go. It's open, as you can see, and this lock will be going out to my good friend Valiant Thor. Thank you very much.